Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
My other question to you is, because I want us to be clear on a lot of things that we do here, all right? Can everyone in the world that's listening to us get the FHA program?
No, not everybody.
Can everyone be Bill Gates?
No.
Okay.
That's a good question. I'm glad you said that, please, because a lot of people out there can get help.
Yes.
Okay? But you've got to call us so we can be able to screen you, so we can see, you know what, you need to do this and this avenue.
The analysis.
Exactly.
Right.
I like the word screening. I don't know why.
Screening.
Okay. But like I said, a lot of people can get help out there. I would say if you find yourself 2 or 3 months past due, okay, you've got a first and second mortgage, it's a possibility, I would say 50% chance that I can at least help you out on the first mortgage.
It's beautiful. That is beautiful.
Because a lot of people have gotten these large mortgages and they've divided into 80-20s.
Right.
And we can say, you know what, we can't combine both, but let's attack the first one, the big one. Let's try to kill that monster.
You see the reason why they call him the refi doctor, folks? Depth, knowledge. You notice how I pop questions at him and he comes right back at me? That's depth. That's knowledge. And by the way, folks, let me ask you this question. I don't want Squeeze to say it because First Republic Mortgage Bankers pay me to do my job. And I hope I'm doing a good job.
You're doing a great job, Squeeze.
You know, there's so much going on in the industry. Let me ask you this. There are broker entities that are much larger than First Republic Mortgage Bankers, right?
Yes, there is.
You heard about one that went out of business. The largest one, the largest part of one, rather, went out of business. You know that, right?
Absolutely.
Multi-billion-dollar business.
And
that was
folks,
a broker entity.
Folks, he said multi-billion-dollar industry went out of business.
Right.
Why? They're not paying attention to what's happening. A fool and his money is soon parted.
Shall soon depart.
Okay?
Yep.
If you don't know how to invest your money and you've got a lot of it, you're in serious doo-doo. But you need to pick up the phone and give me a call so I can show you how you can be able to put your funds in the right channel.
Also, a lot of banks out there, okay, didn't understand also and did the wrong thing too. But First Republic Mortgage Bankers, Scott Siskin, now I have seen why it is that he speaks so much about the government-backed programs. Now I see why it is that all of the businesses are coming into First Republic Mortgage Bankers because they've seen that the man has stabilized this business using a government-backed program, a program that has not changed. They've added more.
Exactly.
That means it's secure, hence the FHA secure, right? Now let me ask you, all of these programs that have secured First Republic Mortgage Bankers and secured our listeners, to let our listeners know that they can have faith and integrity, okay? Can brokers do this? Then this is
not a chance in hell.
They can't.
You are going to die, Mr. Broker.
They can't.
Literally in terms of financing, okay? A broker cannot do an FHA mortgage, folks. He has got to be a bank. And this is why First Republic has been talking about the FHA program from beginning.
Well, you know what?
Because we've been a bank.
You know what? Let me correct that. From what I understand, a broker cannot do the FHA program independently in New York State.
Yes.
Let's be 100% correct here. But if they can't do it independently and they go elsewhere, then they're a middlemen. Does that mean that my listeners and everyone that's listening would pay more?
No, absolutely not. We're going back years and years. We've been talking about eliminating the middleman.
No,
These are the guys we're talking about.
I'm not talking about paying more at First Republic Mortgage Bank, but would they pay more by going with a broker?
Yes, absolutely. Okay. Absolutely. You listen, okay? If you're going to the grocery store, or let me put it this way. If you got to buy groceries, okay? And you start to go to the grocery store and you meet someone and he's like, you know what? Just pay me $50. I'm going to get those groceries for you.
Right.
The groceries 1 block away.
Yeah.
Okay? Just pay me $50. I'm going to get those groceries for you.
Right.
Would you really do that? Or would you say, you know what? I'd rather walk.
Right.
Let me burn some cholesterol at least.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, help yourself.
This is what a broker does.
Okay,
He
now-
stands there and hope
Or
to
she.
get business. He or she, whoever it is,
Right.
hopes to get business from you because you need a mortgage.
Okay, here's another thing. Your phone's ringing off the hook, man.
Oh, yeah.
So are the lines here. The other thing also, but we do have some great brokers that's out there, though. We do have some good brokers out there. The only downside is that they can't do the programs that the banks can do, such as First
Absolutely.
Republic Mortgage Bankers.
Absolutely.
Okay, and that is the integrity experience of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Scott Siskin himself has over 24 years of experience, and his company has been around for 13 years. And you are here, the refi doctor. And I just wanted to hit on those points. I wanted to hear you say it. Okay? So right now, here's what, man. I'm going to let you get busy, man. The phone lines.
Folks, pay attention, pay attention.
The number-
You heard squeeze.
718-325-5555. That is 718-325-5555. Call Shazim. Sorry I didn't make you unleash the way you want unleash, you know. But you know around here we don't play that. You know that, right, Shazim? Because you had the money now. You had a refi doctor, you know. You know that, right? Once again, folks, he's a great guy, very solid. He's a loan officer from a bank, from an institution. You want to speak with this man right now, give a ring. The number is 718-325-5555. He will speak with you. He will help you in detail on a lot of things. Call him up right now. The number is 718-325-5555. And Shazim Ali, the refinance doctor, will, of course, show you the right refinance option. The phone lines are blazing now. Here's what's going to happen, folks. You're going to call and you're going to get busy signal. Just wait about 2 minutes, literally 2 minutes, and call back. All right, because right now, all 27 lines, now that we have voice over IP, are lit. All 27. So, Mr. Ramon, you need to up the lines, okay? It's just bandwidth. 718-325-5555. First Republic Mortgage Bankers, leading the industry. And, of course, standing tall for you. Give us a call, 718-325-5555.